Hello everyone, and welcome to the Quick Start tutorial series brought to you by MecSoft Corporation. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install FreeMILL for RhinoCAM. As the name suggests, FreeMILL is a completely free milling module without usage restrictions. There is no cost, no time limit, no license, and no file output size, so you can use it as long as you like to program your CNC machine. Being free, it is also restricted to one very useful cut method. FreeMILL is also supported by over 300 CNC post-processors that are included with the system. If you are unfamiliar with FreeMILL, you may want to watch the FreeMILL demonstration video to understand its ease of use and machining application. There are three important facts that you need to understand before we go through the FreeMILL installation process. The first is that the MecSoft CAM products are built on a plug-in technology. This means that they require a host CAD system to operate. The second is that FreeMILL is just one of the modules included in the RhinoCAM plug-in. The third is that VisualCAM, including FreeMILL, is available as a plug-in to 4 different host CAD systems. The Rhinoceros Host CAD system is a 3D modeling program offered by McNeil & Associates. RhinoCAM, which includes FreeMILL, can be downloaded from MecSoft.com. In this video, we will install FreeMILL by installing RhinoCAM. Okay, let's get started. To download and install FreeMILL for RhinoCAM, first go to the MecSoft.com website. Select Download Free Demo from the home page. On this next page, please enter your name and other requested information, including your product of interest. Be sure you enter a valid email address where you can check your email to receive a download link. We want the additional information on this form so we can call you after the installation and see how it went and if you have any questions about the product. We will not provide your information to any third parties. When you pick the Submit button, MecSoft will automatically send you an email with a link to download RhinoCAM and FreeMILL. If you do not receive this email within a few minutes, check your spam inbox. The email link will take you to the Download FreeMILL page. Next, we will select the FreeMILL in Rhino button. This will initiate the download. If your browser asks you if you want to run or save the download, choose to save it to your default download directory. Once the download is complete, go to your download directory and look for the Visual CAD/CAM installer that was just created. Now you're ready to install the software. Make sure you have administrative privileges before installing the product. Double-click on the RhinoCAM installer file name. At this point, follow through the setup wizard to install RhinoCAM. Now, when you run Rhino, the RhinoCAM plugin with FreeMILL will load automatically. This completes the Quick Start tutorial for downloading and installing FreeMILL included in RhinoCAM from MecSoft Corporation. For further assistance, you can visit the online help supplied with the program or visit www.mecsoft.com for additional tutorials. Thank you.